Right, what we've got today, we've got a CB500 Mike Hailwood replica. There's his bearing. I don't think the customer has heard it running. What we've got to do is get it running. I've gone through it, I've had a camera down the bores, they look like brand new. Had to sort a few petrol leaks, put some clips on it, had tie wraps around there. So what I'm going to try and do is start it. So let's have a look. Dummy leggy. Here we go. Helps to connect the battery.